Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I'm so excited about today's video. We are going to have so much fun together because I am unboxing a Thredup rescue box with you, and it is a collab with my good friend Kelly Schaffner. So all the information about Kelly's video will be linked in the description section below. I'm so honored to do a video with Kelly because her YouTube channel is one of my absolute favorites. Like, it's one of those channels I go and check every day to see what she's doing because she has, kind of like my channel, a really eclectic mix of videos, just tons of good stuff over there, and she just has the best energy. You know, she's super positive and very authentic and honest in all of her reviews, which I appreciate. You kind of feel like she's your good friend and you're just sitting there and she's telling you about what she's unboxing. So definitely head on over to her channel when you're done watching this video and leave us a comment about how you think we did with this Thredup box. Now this is a Thredup handbag box. It's actually my first one, guys. I don't know why I haven't ordered it before. I'm no stranger to loving handbags and selling them. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Quenby and I'm a part-time reseller, and I've sold a lot of handbags. I have a really fun video. It looks like this, and I bought a whole lot of Coach handbags, and that was really fun, and those have been selling really well for me. So I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a full-time psychotherapist, and I have another channel all about mental health. So if you're interested in personal growth and learning about mental health issues like anxiety or grief or having good boundaries, head on over to that channel at The Grateful Therapist and check that out. Now, let's watch me open this box and I'll tell you all the details about it. So this Thredup rescue box is the handbag box. It's 10 bags for $90. So it works out to be a little less than $10 per bag. This box came from Georgia. I'm telling you that because some people believe better boxes come from different locations. All right, here we go. This first one is super cute looking. It's like a blush pink, and I love that ruffle detail, and it's a backpack. Backpacks have been really popular in 2020, and I think they will be going into 2021. Let's look for a brand, and then I'm always looking for any signs of damage because these are DIY boxes, so you can expect flaws and damage or maybe having to do some cleanup. So this is 9 West. So it's easier for me to resell a bag on eBay or Poshmark if it has a brand name. I can use keywords and style words and everything, but a brand name is easier. This looks like it's in a really great shape. I'm always checking things like zippers, buttons. I don't see, maybe just a little bit of mark here that I can wipe right off. So this can be used like with a handle or as a backpack. I'm loving that. I'm totally loving that bag, and it looks to be in really great condition. I do have a video up on the channel, actually a couple of them, about cleaning suede or leather bags. So I do have some experience with that. So check out those videos if that's something you need to know. Ooh, this is Coach. Nice. They do have a box that is specifically Coach handbags. It's a little more expensive, so I'm surprised they put one in here. This is called the Signature Jacquard. When I got that huge lot of Coach handbags, I did learn a lot about keywords, and that lot of Coach handbags that I bought, they did come with certificates of authentication. You'll often see it as COA, Certificate of Authentication, and that really helps because Coach is a brand that can be faked. Oh my gosh, and this one has a little wallet inside. So it's kind of like 2 for 1. I've sold just the wallets. This is what this looks like. It looks completely authentic. It feels like, has a number here, so I can often, hold on, let me get this for you. So on this label here, there's often a lot of information, including a number that allows you to look up the style name. But this is super nice, like a little wallet. And this is a shoulder bag because of the strap here. A shoulder bag with a matching wallet. I've been selling my Coach bags, depending on size and condition, you know, anywhere between like $30 and $100 for a pre-owned bag. Oh, this one feels so soft. Look at this. I love a crossbody bag, so if it has a long strap like this, it's designed to be worn as a crossbody. This one feels soft, really distressed brown leather, really soft. This to me looks like it would be like a Lucky brand. I do see some damage on it, but it feels like a nice, really nice bag. J. Crew, ooh, nice. That's even better maybe. Lucky brand handbags, I love their styles. So the thing about this one is I will have to do some cleanup. So like you'll notice there's like some dings here. And so I will clean that up. I do have a leather cleaning kit by the brand UGG that I absolutely love. It's linked in the description below. I use it for everything. It's only like $20 and it comes with like a cleaner, a conditioner, like a refreshing spray or something. It's just all around great. So this is damaged, but let me tell you, this is a distressed leather, and I would just put that in my listing. I would say it's a distressed soft leather. It does have some dings, but with a brown leather bag, like a boho bag, you can kind of get away with that. 3 bags so far, and I'm very happy. How is Kelly Schaffner's bag box? I'm dying to know how she's doing. Make sure to leave me a comment, and Kelly. Make sure you're also subscribed to this channel with the little bell turned on so that you know when other unboxing videos come out.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit it. Punch it.
Did I mention I have an entire Thredup playlist of unboxings? I do. I've done the denim, shoes, women's, men's. I've done it all. So definitely check that out. This is awesome. This is totally not my style, but an amazing bag because it's diesel. Diesel is pretty expensive. I've sold some of their stuff before. Their men's stuff, like the jeans, sell really well for me. This is a really interesting bag. I don't even, let me get my mind around it. It's plastic, you guys. But I guess it's like expandable. I can't figure this bag out. Somebody help me out here. Like it's expandable on the top like a big tote, but not necessarily on the bottom. And it says, living the successful life. And it's got like, I don't know. I think I have to find like some stock photos. You know, this is not my personal style, but it's a diesel bag and someone's going to totally love this. Maybe it's kind of like urban or hipster or something like that. And that is a great brand. I'm very happy to have that. Now, Kelly and I talked about maybe being able to each pick out a bag and keep it for ourselves. Did you remember that part, Kelly? This is ETA. I'm not familiar with that brand. If you know anything, please leave it in the comments because it's really, we have a really helpful community of people who leave comments and help educate us and encourage us. Just the best community. So if you have any information about any of these bags, let me know. So this is a crossbody and I love the pop of hot pink color. This is what, to me, it looks like a travel bag. Like there's tons of pockets, zipper pockets, and it's in really great condition, just not a brand I'm familiar with, and it's just a fabric bag. Oh my God, this one is so cool. What? Look at this, you guys. It's a basket bag. But I don't know if you can see this, but it's very rigid, like an actual picnic basket or something. It's a very hard basket with leather handles. It's black and gold. Just a little purse, but let's see if there's a brand or something. What do you guys think of these? Oh, there is a brand name in here, but I can't quite read it. Oh, it's Harrods. Harrods. Harrods, Knightsbridge. That could be a really nice one. This is so cute. This would be so good for like lunch with the girls or a tea or something. It feels like it's really well made. I wonder how I would ship that. Probably in a big box with a lot of like padding around it. That one's super cute. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. let's pull out this baby. This is Anne Klein. And it has like, I guess this is like a snake skin. Nice big leather bag with a front zipper pocket and some gold accents. So far, everything is in really good shape, pretty clean. I'll go through and I usually will reverse the bag. I talk about that in my bag cleaning videos, and I'll clean the interior if it needs it. And then the exterior, look at the hot pink accent. I always like that when there's a color, so that if you go in there to get something, there's kind of a fun pop of color. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite handbag? What type of handbag lady are you? Like, I love a crossbody because I just feel like it's so convenient. But when I go out to dinner on a date or something, I like to just have a clutch. I'm not sure if it's genuine leather. I will have to look around. Do you guys ever do that? Like, smell it? Sometimes when I'm out at the stores, I just can't help it. I want to smell the leather. This doesn't smell like leather, but the Thredup tissue paper. Okay, there's a bunch more in here, gosh. Okay, now we're getting into the little bags, sometimes called a baguette. This is cute. It looks like it's like vintage, maybe vintage inspired. A green bag. It does not feel like quality to me. You know how you can just tell? I did get a Prada bag, a genuine Prada bag, a little tiny baguette like this in one of my designer boxes, and it was destroyed like with ink, and I couldn't get the instaings out, but I still sold it for $100 on eBay. So far, so good. Hope Kelly's doing well with hers. This is the brand Atmosphere, and it's made of PVC. This is kind of cute though. Like, I would put crossbody, maybe baguette even, and I would put vintage inspired because to me this has like a retro look to it. I like the green color too. A few more bags. Which one would you keep and what is your favorite? I love interacting with you in the comments. Wow, look at this. I don't know exactly what this is. So it's got like a heavy gold chain. It's very substantial. And then some studding on the ends. And I love a tassel. I love a tassel on a bag. But this one, it's confusing to me the way it's laid out. Like, because it looks like it would go like this, doesn't it? I just don't know. When I photograph my bags, the ones that I'm going to resell online, I'll stuff them with paper or some of these so that they have a nice shape so that you can see how they would look. This one is Rebecca Moses for Wild. Ooh, actually, this one says made in Italy. Watch this be a really great bag, and I'm sort of like unsure of how it goes. Made in Italy is always a good sign. I don't know what this says. Rebecca Moses for Wild Shout Cashmere, made in Italy? If I have time, I will do a little bit of research and put some information up on this bag if I find out. Okay, and here is a cute little metallic blue. This is like a wristlet. So it's like a wallet that you can wear. These are actually really handy, like if I'm going out somewhere. I like having a wristlet like this if it's just a dinner date or something with my sweetie Peter. I like having something like this. This is a metallic leather with like a fabric flower on the front. Pretty cute. Let's open it up and see if there's any markings or anything. Oh, this is from Nordstrom. I don't know if you can see that there. There you go. So that's nice, actually. I wonder if it's real leather. I was going to take a guess and say I think this might just be like a Target piece. Target has some really trendy, cute pieces. They don't usually use the highest quality materials and leathers and things, but they have cute styles, so I'm definitely not knocking the Target bags. Made in China. So I don't know. I don't see anything right now, but that's pretty cute. That's a cute little bag. Is this the last one? No, I want it to go on forever. This is so fun. Okay, this is cute. Ooh, it's new with tags. Oh, I love this one. Let's take a look at this beauty. A nice size too. A beautiful tan leather. It's by Max Studio, and it has the tag on it. It retailed for $99, so that's great. It's got a lot of heavy gold hardware. I think Max Studio is sold like at Macy's, but new with tag is so great to have. from the reselling standpoint, right? So it's totally clean too. One thing I'm appreciating about this box is that everything was really clean, in much better shape than I thought. It, you know, because you can't expect with a DIY. Non-leather. So it's not leather, and it was 99 bucks. That's kind of expensive. I mean, it is a big, beautiful bag, but 99 for not leather seems a little high. But I'm just going to end by showing you my personal favorites, and then let us know your favorite, and make sure to go to Kelly Schaffner's channel and tell her you watched this video, and comment and let us know what you think. You know, this Coach bag with the matching wallet, really good. I mean, that's a beautiful bag, and it's in amazing condition. Might just need a little bit of cleanup on the bottom here, but I'll use my suede kit on that. I just love this one. The little backpack, the little 9 West backpack. That's so cute. And this one is like, I've never sold anything from Harrods. I'll check comps, but there's something about that is just so fun. And then I love this Mac Studio bag. So I think that was a really good box for $90. I hope Kelly got a great box. And I can't wait to hear from you in the comments, and you let me know, what do you think? What are your favorites? Do you have any good purse stories? Make sure to subscribe and like the video on the way out. And I'll see you in the next video, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.